proudly brought to you by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering. We appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board and supporting us in diverse ways. We are truly and deeply grateful for your continued support. The 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-learning center. For all our media and video coverages, we are grateful. The Institute of Distance Learning KNUST, thank you for making our journey around the nation easy and pleasurable. And the venues provided to support the quiz are well appreciated. Dext Technologies. At Dext Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Thank you for making our technology challenge round a reality. And you always make it very hands-on and exciting. We also want to thank the Ghana Grid Company Limited, GridCo, providing reliable electricity grid for development. The MTN stakeholders management everywhere, hard working, taking our students through all the preparation required to compete in this contest. And to you, our students representing your various schools, we say congratulations for getting your names registered to be a understand Germany St. Francis of Assisi could not make it. We'll go on with the introduction of our contestants. And so let us hear from the contestants from Adaklu, Kojobi DA Basic School.
Angela, Basic A.
And
Basic A.
Thank you very much. We also have St. Francis Demonstration Junior High. Is that right? Yes. So St. Francis Demonstration is represented by thank you very much. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay. And so, before we go on to the competition, let us do a quick buzzer test. Let us hear the sound of the buzzer from Adaklu Kojobi DA Basic School. And ready for the contest. There will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1 is the fundamentals. Round 2 will be the fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3 is a science and technology challenge. Round 4 will be decoding the clues. Contestants, I will be reading the instructions at the beginning of each round. And so without further ado, we go on to round 1, the fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other school. The score for a bonus question is 1 point. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school has a maximum of 2 attempts for a main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. Bonus questions will be given by first ringing the buzzer. So when you're ready to answer a bonus question, you ring your buzzer. You are to name a fat-soluble vitamin that helps in bone formation.
Vitamin C and D.
I will give you the mark. 3 points. St. Francis Demonstration. Which vitamin helps in the formation of red blood cells and prevents anemia?
Vitamin C.
That is not correct. You have one more attempt.
Vitamin D.
That is not correct. Question is available for a bonus. Okay, the correct answer is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12. Question number 2. Adaklu Kojobi DA Basic School. Philip Yaoli was asked to type out his full name in a Word document. That is not correct. You have one more attempt. And your time is up. It's available for a bonus. It looks like the time for a bonus is also up. So he has to highlight his full name, go to change case, and capitalize each word because his name is a noun. So it must be in the sentence case. Okay. St. Francis demonstration. Your main question. Victor has a list of student names in a Word document. The names have been listed in no particular order. How can she rearrange the list in alphabetical order?
Arrange the letters in alphabetical order.
Yes, that's the question. How can he do that? It's available for a bonus. Yes, Sadaklu Kojobi.
Selecting it and apply a sort and filtration.
I will give you the mark. 1 mark for a bonus. Question number 3. This is a preamble to all schools. You are to give the name for the type of reaction that takes place when E plus CuSO4 going to FeSO4 plus Cu.
Neutralization reaction.
That is not correct. One more attempt. Question available for a bonus. And it is a single displacement or substitution reaction. Adaklu Kojobi, your main question. CH4 plus 2O2 going into CO2 plus 2H2O.
Neutralization reaction.
That is not correct. And your time is up. The correct answer is a combustion reaction. Question number 4. You have 40 seconds to answer this question. Adaklu, I'll start with you. A drug test has 99% chance of detecting a drug user, into brackets, true positive. 98% chance of correctly identifying non-users, true negative. Only 0.5% of athletes use the drug. An athlete tests positive. What is the probability that they are actually a drug user?
Because it uses positive.
That is not correct. time is up. St. Francis for a bonus. Okay. St. Francis demonstration, your main question. 2 clinics test for a rare condition. Clinic A tests 60% of the patients and has a 5% false positive rate. Clinic B tests 40% of the patients and has a 2% false positive rate. A patient receives a false positive. What is the probability that the test came from Clinic A? That is not correct. For a bonus, St. Francis. And the correct answer is the collector. St. Francis demonstration. How many depletion layers can be found in a transistor? That is not correct. One more attempt. Other clue for a bonus?
2.
2 is correct for 1 point. Question 6, a preamble to all schools. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions cannot be passed on as bonuses, and contestants, you have 1 attempt only. Excuse me. St. Francis demonstration, I start with you. Blood in the pulmonary artery is oxygenated. Please speak into the microphone. No, it is false. Adaklu Kojobi. Blood in the inferior vena cava is oxygenated. True is correct for 3 points. St. Francis demonstration. The y-intercept of a line is the x-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the y-axis.
The
y-intercept of a line is the x-coordinate of the point where the line intersects the y-axis. It is false. Adaklu Kojobi, your question. The slope of a line is always positive if the line is upward sloping. False is correct for 3 points. And this will bring us to the end of round 1. scores at the end of round 1, there is a substitution to be effected by St. Francis demonstration. And so I'm going to struggle a bit with the name. Agletawokpo is stepping out for Edmond. St. Francis. Edmond is taking the place of Agletawokpo. And so while the change is being effected, the scores at the end of round 1. Adaklukojobi DA Basic School, you have 10 points. St. Francis Demonstration JHS, you have 1 point. We proceed to round 2. Once again, would like to thank our sponsors. This quiz is organized by the KNUST with the strong support of the Colleges of Science and Engineering. We thank the KNUST E-Learning Center, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, where practical science is now practical, the Ghana Grid Company Limited, providing reliable electricity grid for development, MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go, Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. And finally, to Kesben TV, our media partner for amplifying our reach and impact. Round 2 is the fastest brain, the fastest finger. 1 question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question will carry a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press the buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from the question. After the buzzer is pressed, you have 3 seconds to provide an answer. If a school gets the question wrong, the other school is left with the opportunity to answer. Each school has a maximum of 1 attempt only. A wrong answer in this round will attract a penalty of 1 point. Best wishes to all schools. Let's do a very quick buzzer test to be sure we are set. Let us hear the sound of the buzzer from Adaklu. Thank you very much. The sound of the buzzer, St. Francis demonstration. Very good. Thank you very much. And so to round 2. The fastest finger. Given the data set 8, 9, 7, 6, 8, 10, what is the median of the data set? Adaklukojobi. 8 is correct for 4 points. Thank you very much. Next question. The transfer of heat from the bottom to the top of a beaker containing water is by St. Francis.
Conduction.
Please speak into your microphone.
Conduction.
That is not correct.
Convection.
Yes, Adaklukojobi. Convection is correct for 4 points. And so contestants, like I stated earlier, failure to press the buzzer before answering will nullify your answer. And so if you give an answer without pressing the buzzer, it will not be accepted. So if you're able to ring your buzzer within the time limit for the question, then it will be accepted. Else, it will not be accepted. Thank you very much. Next question. Which membrane characteristic is essential for osmosis to occur? Adakulu Kujobi.
The semi-permeable membrane.
That is correct for 4 points. To the next question. Which biological process is hindered by water deficiency in plants? Yes, St. Francis.
Dehydration.
That is not correct. Time is up. The correct answer is photosynthesis. Next question. How many atoms are present in CaCl2? St. Francis. 3 is correct for 4 points. The next question. A program runs without crashing, but it produces incorrect results. What type of error is this?
Bug.
Yes, St. Francis.
Bug.
That is not correct. Yes, Adaklu.
Topographical mistake.
That is not correct. The correct answer is a logical error. Next question. Yao paid 84 Ghana cedis after a 30% discount. What was the original price of the item? And the correct answer is 120 Ghana cedis. And to the final question for round 2. 2 angles of a triangle add up to 98 degrees. What is the size of the third angle? Yes, St. Francis?
82 degrees.
That is correct for 4 points. And that will bring us to the end of round 2. The fastest finger, fastest brain. Before we bring you the scores, we'll take a short break, a quick break. Right, thank you very much for staying with us. At the end of round 2, at Daklukojobi DA Basic School, you have 11 points. St. Francis Demonstration JHS, you have 5 points. And so at the end of the 2 rounds of this afternoon's contest, at Daklukojobi DA Basic School, you have 21 points. And St. Francis Demonstration JHS, you have 6 points. And so we go on to round 3, the Science and Technology Challenge. 1 question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 10 points. Contestants will be given up to 10 minutes to complete the task. Round 3 is powered by the Dext Science set. And so this is the preamble. You have been provided with a 9-volt battery. Task 3, by replacing C1 and C2 with C1 and C2 in parallel to each other, parallel to L2, and observe what happens. There are a few related questions to the performance of the task. A successful completion of the experiment will give you 4 marks. There are 3 related questions. Question 1. What are the differences, if any, in your observations for tasks 2, 3, and 4? This will give you 3 marks. Question 2. What accounts for your observations in task 3 and 4? This will give you 1 mark. Question 3. What role have C1 and C2 played in the circuit? This will give you 2 marks. Contestants, you have 10 minutes to complete round 3. You may start now. Contestants, you have 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes. Thank you. Thank you very much, contestants. Our consultants will come and check what you have done, and we'll return to you shortly with the scores for round 3. Thank you very much.